Hi everyone, Aaron here for Zollotech, and these are the official Apple iPhone 11 Pro and 11 Pro Max spring colors. These are the silicone colors. Now there's also some leather cases Apple released, along with Apple Watch bands that coincide with these cases. Now once you have watchOS 6.2 that comes out on Tuesday, you'll have matching colors for that as well, and you'll be able to match your case with your Apple Watch, as well as some smart folio iPad cases and things like that. Now let's take a look at them one by one. Now these are the silicone cases, so they come in at $39, so they're not inexpensive. Now the first one is called Cactus, so we'll go ahead and open it up here. And Apple announced these earlier this week, or just did a little press release, and this is the Cactus Color. So again, it's a silicone case with a microfiber lining and then some protection on the side. It's just a really rubbery case, and it has a really nice texture to it, just like all of their silicone cases. So here is an iPhone 11 Pro in midnight green, and it has a nice contrast with the midnight green. So you can see how it looks here. Of course, you've got access to your buttons and things, just like you'd expect. And then you have a little opening for your silent switch here on the left. Now also you've got the cutout on the back, but the bottom is open. So I know a lot of people don't like these cases because the bottom remains open, so there's no protection there, but it's fairly minimal and does a nice job. It doesn't stick in your pockets too much, so it's grippy, but not super grippy to the point where you pull your pocket inside out or anything like that. Now also we have another color for the 11 Pro, and these are available for the Pro or Pro Max, and this one is called Grapefruit. And so this is a really nice color as well. It's sort of a, well, hopefully you can see the accurate color in this video. So it's pretty nice. It has a button that's sort of the orange of the Pixel, and let's take a look at it on this phone. Again, this is midnight green, so it may contrast quite a bit. So you'll see maybe with midnight green it doesn't look the best, but in general it offers the same exact protection as the other cases do. So any silicone case, if you have one already, these are available as well. So let me remove this. I'll put it back in the Cactus case. I think that one looks a lot nicer. Now let's take a look at my favorite case of the bunch, and this is called Surf Blue, and I have the matching watch face to go with it. So let's go ahead and open this up. Again, $39. It doesn't really matter the size. I bought these myself. Apple doesn't send me anything. But here is my iPhone 11 Pro Max, and I think this one looks really good. So I have the 11 Pro Max in space gray. It might look a little bit better if it was in a different color to contrast with the blue. But again, you've got good access to the side buttons, and the side button is a little bit darker, it looks like, or maybe it's the same shade, but because it protrudes a little bit, it has a little bit of a different look. The same is true on the left side with your volume buttons, and then you've got that cutout for your silent switch. Again, on the bottom, it's completely exposed, but it's a nice minimal look in general. So it looks pretty good. I think the case itself really complements the phone nicely for spring colors and kind of lightens up the room if you've got it in a room, just because it's such a vibrant color. It will catch your eye. And so again, it goes with this watch face here, and it looks pretty nice in general. Now, most people will be happy to hear that Apple is also including this in their lineup for the iPhone 11. So if you like any one of these three cases, it's $39 for the Cactus, Grapefruit, or Surf Blue. And so you'll have the option to buy them for the iPhone 11 as well. Now again, Apple announced not just these, but also leather folio cases that are different, along with Apple Watch bands to match these, but they also introduced nylon sport bands and some Hermes watch bands. So there was a ton of product releases along with the iPad Pro and MacBook Air. So we'll be taking a look at some of those products a little bit later once they actually come in. But let me know what you think of these cases in the comments below. I really like this one, and of course, I'll leave this wallpaper for you in the description as I always do. So it's a pretty nice one. I couldn't find one that matched this perfect, so if you find one, let me know in the comments below. If you haven't subscribed already though, please subscribe, and if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. As always, thanks for watching. This is Aaron. I'll see you next time.